I'm Alex from Central Scanning. I'm here at colleague Ecomoid, and we're here to show the Artec Leo scanners and Artec 3D equipment in general for the world of virtual reality, augmented reality, prop making, visualization. We had a presentation to go through technology, why it's used. We've learned how to do photogrammetry. We've learned the reasons why you would use visualization. We'd use photography for photogrammetry, for photorealism. We've learned about how to prepare models for 3D printing, for molding, for photorealistic models to be used in print media, in visualization, and other print media. So a lot of delegates are from the university, from arts and design courses, from prop making courses, from the world of film and TV. So I hope they've taken on board a lot of the digital skills which will be part of their future careers. So if you are interested in learning about 3D scanning for visualization, augmented reality, virtual reality, feel free to follow Central Scanning on Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter, or simply send an email to info@central-scanning.co.uk and one of us will be more than happy to answer your questions.